Hello everyone, very good morning. In last class, we learned about input devices and output devices, right? What is input devices? I taught you what is input devices and what is output devices. So today we will talk about what is storage devices. Okay? So first of all, open your book, chapter 3, page number 27. Okay, and start reading first. What is written? Storage devices. Okay, what is storage devices? Storage devices क्या है? First of all, we will talk about what is storage devices. Okay, स्टोरेज डिवाइस के नाम से पता चलता है जिसमें हम कुछ स्टोर कर सकते हैं. यस, जैसे कि वी कैन स्टोर वेजिटेबल्स एट होम इन द फ्रिज so that vegetable will be safe and we can use it when we need it again, right? तो हम घर में अगर वेजिटेबल को फ्रिज में स्टोर करते हैं तो फ्रिज क्या हुआ हमारे लिए? स्टोरेज डिवाइस हुआ. यस, क्योंकि हम उसमें चीज़ों को स्टोर कर सकते हैं सेफली, जिसमें वो सेफ रहे, ख़राब ना हो. सो फ्रिज इज स्टोरेज डिवाइस. ओके, just like that, some storage devices are given in your book, and all these storage devices used to store. Okay, read it. Some output devices like hard disk, pen drive, CD, DVD, external hard disk, etc. are used as storage devices. Okay, स्टूडेंट ये डेटा को डिजिटली स्टोर करते हैं. स्टोरेज डिवाइस एक ऐसा कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर होता है जिसका इस्तेमाल डेटा को सेफली सेव करता है एंड ज़रूरत के हिसाब से इस्तेमाल करने के लिए होता है. ठीक है, स्टोरेज डिवाइस में हम कई टाइप्स के डेटा को स्टोर कर सकते हैं, लाइक वीडियो, ऑडियो, फोटोग्राफ, document, etc. We can store all of it on storage devices. Okay, so let's learn about these all storage devices. Okay, so the first one is hard disk. Students, look at the picture. This is hard disk. Okay, let's talk about some points. This is hard disk. It is the main storage device. Okay, it is located in the CPU box and it saves whatever we do on the computer. It stores a large amount of data permanently. It is called hard disk. Come to the next one, pen or flash drive. Look at the picture. This is pen drive. Okay, a flash drive or pen drive is a memory data storage device. So here are some important thing about pen drive. Okay, look at the picture. This is pen or flash drive, means pen drive. It is a small storage capacity device. Okay, it can be kept in a pocket. It can carry audio, video and data files. It can store data more than CD can store them. Okay, it is also known as USB flash drive. पेन ड्राइव की स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी कॉम्पैक्ट डिस्क से ज़्यादा अच्छी होती है और इसे USB फ्लैश ड्राइव भी कहा जाता है. द थर्ड वन इज CD-ROM. ओके, स्टूडेंट्स लुक एट द पिक्चर. दिस इज CD. ओके, CD stands for compact disk read only memory. Friends, what is CD? Yes, CD-ROM stands for compact disk read only memory. Yes, CD is a circular disk that is used to store data when we need to take it to somewhere else. It can store lot of data. Okay. Now come on the book. The fourth one is digital versatile disk. DVD, digital versatile disk. What is this? Digital versatile disk has the same size as a CD-ROM but hold up to 25 times more data and it is much faster. Okay. So come to the point. Digital versatile disk DVD has the same size as a CD-ROM as I told you. It is holds up to 25 times more data and it is much faster than CD-ROM. Okay, CD-ROM and DVD-ROM are physically similar but DVD is much faster than CD. Okay. Okay, come on the book. The last one is multimedia card. MMC. What is MMC? Multimedia card. A multimedia card or flash memory card is a data storage device. Okay. What is multimedia card? Multimedia card, this is the multimedia card and this is also a data storage device. This is the smallest storage device. It is available in the various storage capacity. Okay. So student, today we will learn about some storage device. So what are that? See the pictures once again. Hard disk, pen drive, CD, DVD and memory card. Okay. Students, I hope you understood what is these storage devices. So that's all for today. In the next class we will do the exercises. Okay. So keep study and be safe. Thank you.